quickly introduce yourself? Tell me about your tech stack, then we'll start the interview.
Sure, Karthik. Yeah. So, hi, my name is Amit Kumar, and I have around 5 years of experience as a Java Backend Developer. Currently, I'm working in Accenture for the Wells Fargo client, and I'm primarily working in banking and capital market domain, building a scalable and event-driven microservices. My core expertise includes Java, Spring Boot microservices, Apache Kafka, and REST API. And my current project is a one-head application where I'm working on deal or order management systems, integrating with two components like IssueNet, that is IssueNet and direct books. And for the deployment side, we are using Harness, and Docker Kubernetes. Yeah, that's all about myself.
Can you share your screen and open Java Online compiler?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Can you go back and open programmers one? Go back like second one. Yeah. So quickly write a basic code like show me inheritance, create one parent class, one child class, create their object in this main class, and then run the code.
Oh, sure.
For now, write your code after line number 8. Don't touch main method. Okay. After line number 8. Here, how can you will write? You don't need to create inner classes. After line number 10.
After line number 10, okay. Yeah, okay. Just a minute. So this is the main class, and we have a one class is a parent class. You can see it's a parent, like any parent, and we have a child class. In a parent class, we have like any method.
Write any method and like some one or two attributes like parent time, parent.
I'm just defining one method in the parent class.
Yeah, it's no problem. Also have some variables. Variables like parent ID, parent name. Okay.
Oh, sure. I'll just print it. Here, parent. Child. Child. Actions. Parent. Right. Child. Child. Yeah. And you want to like write a what? And attribute also, right?
Yeah. Parent ID, parent name, child ID, child name. You can add in their respective classes.
Okay. Here int parent ID. We can define here like 100. Here we can also child name. We can also the child name like Amit. Okay. Yeah. You are asking. Yeah, I have defined the attribute and I have defined the method which is showing the behavior, right? And then I can create the object. Child. I can create the object of child class. Then parent class will be called. Let me create.
Just one more addition. Create constructor in both the classes.
Constructor.
Yeah, and assign the values through constructor.
Okay. That means okay. It's a parent name. Okay. Here we can pass that in parent ID. Here this dot parent ID equal to parent ID. And here I can define any name. Parent constructor. Similarly, I can write the child constructor. So here will be int string child name, this dot child name equal to child name. That here I can copy. Sorry. child constructor beta. Okay, this is child name child constructor. Okay, yeah, I have added the attribute, and for the child class I have
but I told you one more thing, right? You have to assign the values through constructor, but you are directly assigning in line number 12 and 25.
Okay. So it will be
and also they also discourage you to use default constructor. I don't need default constructor.
So this is not a default constructor, right? If we are
Line number 30, it's a function, okay. But this line number 26 is a default constructor, right?
This is the not constructor. This is the not same name as a class name.
Yeah. Correct. This is a function. Yeah. Even if the name was same, you have put the return type, right? So that would behave like a function. That's fine.
Yeah.
Create a check and you can run the code.
Sure. So let me create the child. See, new child. Here I can pass data is a Amit. Okay. And system dot out print parent dot child. System dot out dot print, and then here I can pass the c dot child name. Mr. Child, right? This is the constructor. This is the attribute. I'm just calling that. Okay. Child, see a child name. Here just give it. Okay. One error. Parent constructor here. I can say. There it is. Okay. So I need to child class, that is a constructor where I'm passing the attribute. Okay, that is child name. This is child name. This will be child name will be same. Print when I'm printing. I can call that parent class constructor. Oh, here I can use the super keyword. No, super keyword. If you want to check that. If I want to call that parent ID, then where I can use the super. Let me just 1 minute. Parent ID. I can call with using super keyword parent ID, and this dot child is a child name. Okay. But by default, the JVM calls super function, right? Here I'm just defining that parent ID, right, in the parameter. Then I'm just calling explicitly for that.
Okay. Can you run the code?
Just a minute. Child. Why I found a string. New child. And the method name child. Just child. Here I'll just pass that 1001. Yeah.
Can you create a thread using runnable? Yes. And since it's a functional interface, use lambda expression.
Yes. You want to create me class, a thread class?
Yeah.
Using a?
Come again?
You want to create a thread class using a runnable interface?
No, I want you to create a thread using runnable interface.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking you. Should I create, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let me create it. So first of all, I have one class, my thread, you can say, implements runnable interface. We know that runnable has a run method.
Can you create using lambda expression?
Using lambda expression, yes, I can create.
Then so you don't need to implement the class, right?
Yeah, then no need to implement the just now we have an interface, and then we can, if you invoke the arrow sign, then it will be already
right.
Yeah. So let me. So in the main method I can create.
Yes.
Just let me remove it. So here it will do runnable r equal to. Here I will be invoking, and here I can perform that operations. Any operation I can, if I want to perform any kind of operation, we can perform here. and also we can create a thread class. Yeah, this is the like logic we can create the like using like lambda
Write the
expression.
code and execute it, please. Write the code and execute it.
Stop method system dot call method. Here I can call that int I into 0, let me run I is then 10 I plus plus I plus plus. Here I can execute that system dot out dot println that running, then pass I. Here I can close it. Where it is here now.